Hello guys, you are welcome to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we will be looking at Yearn Finance, as you can see currently ranked at 148 and steadily pushing even to the upside, right? Remember, it's the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest analysis, price predictions and trades for your favorite coins, right? And without further ado, we would be looking at the money flow analysis even for YFI, right? We love to look at the money flow analysis because it helps us understand what is happening behind the scenes even for YFI. As you can see, right, this is the chart for YFI versus the US dollars, right? Currently, as you can see, we have 21% of small sales. We have about 17% of medium sales, 10% of large sales, 21% of small buys, medium buys, we have 18%, and large buys, we have 11.5%. This is very, very good for the price of YFI, as we are seeing more large buys than large sales. And as you can see, also that is reflected right on the data. As you can see, we had a total of 246 246 YFI tokens being bought, right? We had a sale of about 241.66 YFI token which were sold, which gives us a very, very positive inflow, right, of about 4.42 YFI tokens. So YFI is very, very bullish at the moment, as you can see, right? If we push up to our charts, you could see we were expecting the price to push right down even to this $5,000 level, even for YFI. And as you can see, since then, we have pushed and even exceeded that level. As you can see, currently, we should still be expecting one last push to this downside for YFI to form some sort of a double bottom, right, before we could see a beginning of a very, very huge push to the upside even for YFI. As you can see, we were expecting price to push to this $5,022 level. We pushed below, right, and currently, as you can see, we saw the bulls came in. We could see a trickle down right down to this $5,034 level before we see a huge push to the upside. But overall, we are very, very bullish on YFI. As you can see, we are very, very, very oversold at the moment. Currently, for YFI on most of the coins, we are very, very oversold, and so we should be expecting a huge, huge reversal in the coming few days, even for YFI. As you can see on the RSI, very, very, very oversold, no divergence. Same thing right here. Even on the stochastic, we are very oversold, so we could still see one more trickle down even to this $5,000 level. Huge consolidation, right, and accumulation before we see another push to the upside. So that's the analysis for YFI today, getting very, very close to our bottom for YFI, right? And so before we should be expecting a relief rally. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.